Good evening. Hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel Balal Language School. Today we learn how to make a face mask. In this current situation, the atmosphere or weather is not unfavorable to the human being. At the time of walking in the street, everyone should use mask at home and street. So now we learn how to make a face mask at home. Let's start to know how to make a face mask. Here I have written make face mask at home. I will give the procedure how to make a mask at your home. This procedure are written here. Now let's start to learn. First you will take a cotton fabrics like this or fabrics. Then you will take a scissors like this to cut the cloth. Then you will take a ruler or scale like this to measure the cloth before cutting. And you will take a needle with thread. Then you will take a needle and thread to sew this face mask. Again, you will take a cotton fabrics, scissors, scale and a needle with threads. Then cut the cloths or fabrics at 9 into 5. 9 into 5 for adult and 7.5 into 5 7.5 into 5 for child. After cutting this cloth like this shape, this rectangle shape for adult and child, then both breadth edge of cutting cloth start showing, folding a lace like this from a corner, from here, there, here and there. From anywhere you can start sewing or from any corner. Then start sewing again on both length edge of the cloth starting from a corner. Then start sewing again on both length edge of cloth starting from a corner. You can sew the both side of the length of a piece of cutting cloth. Thus your face mask is ready to use. After every alternative day you will use different mask for your healthy life. I'll do this useful work for everyone again and again. You will stay in touch with this channel and keep learning with this channel. Thank you so much. Stay well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.